MySQL for beginners. Well, first of all, let me welcome you to this course. This course is going to teach you MySQL, the second most widely used RDBMS in the world. Yes, the second most used. Well, let's say some of the programming language with which MySQL can be connected. PHP, Python, Perl, Java, Visual Studio. Wait, Visual Studio? That is a software. Well, this means that anything that can be programmed with Visual Studio, then you can connect a MySQL database with that. And apart from this, you can also connect Ruby, Ajax, and many more programming languages with MySQL. I don't have space in this slide in order to show you. Well, there is one more question you might have. Why MySQL? Why should I take MySQL? You know, there's a bunch of steps, but I will show you a few. Highly scalable. It's highly scalable that you don't have to actually worry about the amount of data that is coming in. Highly flexible. Well, of course, it's an open source database, so they will have flexible at first hand. High performance. High performance in MySQL is so guaranteed that I've never seen people switching from MySQL database to some other database. Well, at least to my eyes. High availability. Well, MySQL is so reliable that it makes sure that the MySQL database server is up and running pretty much all the time, 99.9%. And strong data protection. Well, if you're having a database, then this is your first priority. Your data should be protected in a much better way, and MySQL provides that. Management ease. Well, I have a database, and it should be very important that I can handle it. There's one more thing, robust transactional support. Well, obviously, every database has to have this. Well, what are you waiting for? Take up the course and learn MySQL. It's time to move to the next level of database management.